There are a whole bunch of words you should not say on YouTube or people will click off. And I'm going to tell you what those are coming right up. So why would you want to know these words? Why is it important to know these words that get people to click off? And if you're spending a lot of money and time making videos to get people to know about your business, wouldn't it be important to get them to not stop watching? Now, I want to caution you. These words will make you want to click off. They're designed to make you want to click off, but I'm going to ask you to not click off, okay? See if you can do it. See if you can stop from clicking off until I can give you this entire list, all right? You ready? Thank you for watching. Thanks. Now don't click off, because that's a word that gets people to click off, but I don't actually want you to click off, right? I'm just telling you about these words, so don't click off. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Thanks. These are words that will get you to click off. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Goodbye. Bye. This will get you to click off. See you later. See you. See ya. Another word that will get you to click off. Now, it really is sort of depends on the tonality and where in the video something is, right? If it's at the end of the video, right, you are looking for words that are signaling as a viewer that the video is over, just like when the credits come on at a movie. You get up and leave, right? But we don't want you to leave because we want you to stay till the very end. So tonality is important. So if I say see ya at the beginning, it's really different than if I say see ya at the end, and the tonality is different. So that will get you to click off. We don't want you to click off. Next, lastly, so anyway, if somebody says, so anyway, at the end of a phone call, you're gonna know they're gonna wanna get off really soon, right? Or just, so, if somebody says that at the end of the video, you know that video is about to end, you're gonna click off before the end. You don't say so in that type of tonality. You can say it at the beginning, but in not an ending tonality. Please. If you ask somebody to do something, say please, that's usually please click, please subscribe. Don't say please. That's it. Anyways, all right. Okay. Remember, some of these words like all right and okay, those could be said in a different tonality where it wouldn't be as ending, right? So it really depends how you see it and where you say it in the video. If I say it at the beginning, okay, so you want to learn how to do these things, okay and so would not be ending words, they'd be beginning words. Done. If you say the word done, or you're done, the video's done and people are gonna leave. You don't want to say this until the very last part. Finish or finished. Don't say that word until the very end. That's about it. To wrap up, let me reiterate. So if you're reiterating, you've already iterated before. The reiterating is the last part. If people hear you say the word reiterate, they're gonna click off. Sum up, in summary, in conclusion. That's an ending word. Do not say that word. If you like this video, subscribe, like, and comment. That's also a clue that someone's going to say that. Most of the time, if people want to subscribe, like, and comment, they're going to. You don't usually have to tell them, unless it's their first time on YouTube. Like this video, don't say that until the very end. Don't forget. When people say don't forget, that's at the very end. Don't forget to subscribe. Be sure to like and subscribe. Those are ending language. It's simple. When you say it's simple or it's complicated, the next word, I've found that people tend to click off because either they feel that it's at the end or it's too hard. So don't say those words. To wrap up, well, if you say to wrap up, it's clearly the end. So they're gonna click off. Don't say that. That being said, so that being said is also at the end of something because you've already said that. In the end, to end up or ending, those are ending words. Clearly, don't say those until the last 10 seconds maybe. I appreciate you watching. You don't say that at the beginning, right? That's something you would say at the end. And if you say that with a minute to go, people are not gonna see the last minute because they're gonna click off because you've already thanked them. Don't thank them. It would be nice to thank them. Maybe you can thank them in the description if you really like it. click to subscribe, click to do anything that's sort of at the end of the video, that's telling someone that they need to leave the video. You might tell someone to subscribe at the beginning. It's clearly not the end of the video, so they're not going to feel the need to leave. It's not bad to say click to subscribe, but you don't want to do it with a minute to go. Do it with 10 seconds to go. In our next video or next week, also don't use that until the end. That's about it.